One more time and I'm going to put you in handcuffs and you're going to go to jail for resisting without violence. Sit down now.
Yes,
sir.
Y'all got badge numbers?
Corporal Skyrim, 680.
680, what's up, bud?
What's going on? You want to talk to a supervisor?
I just wanted to make sure my...
Both situations highlight the conflict between personal rights and legal enforcement. One person faces arrest for DUI despite not driving, while another is asked to leave a public area just for filming. These are prime examples of the fine line between individual freedom and authority control. Who do you think is in the right here?
Hey! 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 Hey!
She woke up.
You see any guns or anything?
Look around. She woke up. I was speaking with her. I think she came to visit someone here.
Yes.
My guess is they had a fight, and she was.
Yeah, I think that is more drug related than anything. Hey! 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 Hello! Hello! What are you on? Hello? What are you on? What are you on? You're gonna get Narcan if you don't wake up.
Unbelievable. What seemed like a minor situation quickly escalated into serious consequences. This highlights the importance of self-control when dealing with substances.
Well, I don't know you. Where are your car keys at? They're in your bag? You're just taking them off? Are you under the influence of fentanyl, heroin, or an opiate? Your eye twitching says otherwise. You're on something. What are you on? Are you just drunk? Have you ever used drugs other than marijuana? You're fine. Okay, so in the state of Florida, how it works is if you're sitting in the driver's seat and you're in actual physical control of a vehicle and you were intoxicated or under the influence of narcotics, you are committing a driving under the influence, correct? Which is a first-degree misdemeanor, right?
This situation highlights the dangers of being behind the wheel while impaired. Even if you're not actively driving, just being in a position to control the vehicle can lead to a DUI charge. A real wake-up call for everyone.
3 open containers in the car that I've seen. Do you have any drugs in this car? Do you mind if I searched?
No.
How about? Do you have any drugs on you or guns or anything crazy? What are you doing? Why are you coming over to me? Go sit down on the curb. Sit down. Do you need medical assistance?
No.
Because I don't think I've ever been, if you're drunk right now, and this is only, I don't think I've ever been as drunk as you are right now. Are you on something? Just be honest with me. So what's going on with you? What's going on with you then? Do you take prescription medications? Just don't touch me, okay? I'm listening to you, just don't touch me. What's going on?
You're not going to believe me when I say a girl.
Girls going on with you?
Yes.
Why wouldn't I believe that? That's not like
Yeah, it is, though. It is.
So, I'm sure that you are having some sort of issues, personal issues.
I don't know what your name is.
Listen, why? This, right there. You can read that.
Yeah.
Listen.
That's not cool because the girl.
All I'm doing, right?
I know what you're doing. You're doing your job. Doing your job. I know what you're doing. Girl got me. Sorry.
Are you just intoxicated or are you under the influence of drugs? Just don't touch me. You got to back up. Weed is not what you're on right now. Medical marijuana has nothing to do with this. Do you know what city you're in? Oh, you're not. No, you're not. You're not even close.
I'm not even close to Jacksonville, Florida.
No.
I'm not in Jacksonville, Florida.
No, you gotta quit walking towards me now, okay?
Yeah.
So next time you walk towards me, I'm gonna ask you to sit on the curb, right?
I'm not in Jacksonville, Florida.
No, you're not even close to Jacksonville, Florida.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. It's not a joke.
What are we in St. Johns County?
No, we're not even close to St. Johns County. We're 2 counties away from St. Johns. Do you have any, and there's no drugs or weapons in here?
No.
Okay. What's your first and last name?
Ashley.
Okay, do you know what year it is?
Yes, it is 2023.
Okay.
How many quarters make a dollar? 4.
Okay. Who's the President of the United States?
The President of the United States should not be Trump.
This story presents multiple perspectives. On one hand, the police are enforcing traffic safety laws. On the other, the individual involved may not fully grasp the severity of the situation. This emphasizes the need for better education on laws and personal responsibility when consuming alcohol or substances.
What's going to happen, okay? Do you have any other drugs in here other than medical marijuana?
No.
How many beers do you think that you've drank today?
I drank it.
My friend. I'm with her. Is everything alright? What's the
All
problem?
right.
I just want to know.
Yeah. Oh wow. Here he is.
Who is he to you?
It's like my best friend. It doesn't matter.
Hold on. Hey, Ashley, get your hands off him. Ashley.
I'm trying to help you out, bro.
Stop.
Because she's not going nowhere. I don't know what the problem is. What's going on? She's not leaving. She's with us. She's staying at her friend's house. What's going on?
Why do you and your... What my problem is that I'm here, this is a criminal investigation, and then you and your buddy come over here, and now you're impeding my criminal investigation.
What is it for?
Does it matter to you?
It does.
Who are you? Ashley, quit, don't touch him.
Ashley, stop.
Please.
It does
Who are you?
I'm Sean.
Don't touch me either.
My name is Sean.
Okay, so here's the deal, Sean.
What's the
So,
investigation for?
are you a police officer, Sean? Do you work for the state attorney's office? Ashley, you need to go sit down, Ashley. Hey, Ashley, stop. Stop. Hey, Ashley, you got to get out of his face. Hey,
Trying to help you
Ashley.
because this is
Hey, Ashley, don't get off me.
Sir.
Because I'm telling you to get out of his face. Just go sit down. Come over here and sit down. Ashley, sit down.
because
Sit down. Ashley, stop. Ashley, quit touching him.
No, I can touch my friend. I can touch my friend.
Ashley, I'm going to ask you one more time, and I'm going to put you in handcuffs, and you're going to go to jail for resisting without violence. Sit down now.
Are you really going to do that?
Okay, you're under arrest. Nope, you're under arrest.
I understand both sides, but let's.
No, I told you. You got to chill out. No, we've been doing this. No. And that's why she's sitting in a car. She's under arrest. I'm going to do a DUI investigation too.
Really?
She's not driving.
Go away. Go away.
No, that's my friend. You got me.
Hey, I'm going to ask you to step back.
No, I'm not.
Okay,
Call
you're
your
about to go to jail.
supervisor.
Either you
Call
step
your
away from me and quit blocking me to my car, or you're going to jail. Step back. Dude, I'm not playing. Do I look like I'm playing? You need to quit getting in my face. Right? Ashley, you're tensing your body. That's actively resisting. Stop. You're under arrest. Stop. Lean up against the car. Just stop. Do you have anything on you? Stop. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Back up. She's not. She was sleeping in her car intoxicated with multiple open containers. That's your guys. Goodbye, guys. Turn around.
Nothing better to do, huh?
Oh yeah, this is what I do. I drive around. Cool. Do you have anything in your pockets? All right. Do you have anything in your bandana?
Come on, man.
Stop.
Come on, man.
Get out my face. Come on.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Do you have anything in your hand?
Come on. You
Go ahead and take a seat. Stop. Hold on. I gotta tighten these handcuffs up. Stop. Ashley, you're about to go on the ground, Ashley.
That's not it's my birthday, man.
Chill out. Turn around.
Come on, get me in the back seat. For real?
Sit down.
For real, I'm going to jail.
Stop. Get in the car. Stop. Have I been rude to you at all?
Yes.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, I have not.
Yeah.
I've been nice to you.
I'm going to jail, dude. I don't know, dude.
Don't go in that car.
That's my car.
You guys need to back up.
I'm right here, bro. We're
Back
back.
up,
We're
please.
back. Are we not back? I mean, we're back. We're not gonna do nothing or nothing. You don't have nothing to worry about from us.
I don't know you. Dude,
know good, man.
I'm
I ain't
going.
done nothing wrong.
He's coming here to help me complete a
And I
DUI
understand
investigation.
that, but
I
she's
tell her
staying
multiple
at a friend's
times.
house. She's drunk.
Multiple times. Listen. Do you want to talk to me, or do you want to just talk over me?
If you get drunk, would you rather stay at his house or drive? She's
I
doing
get
the
drunk-
right thing. Bro.
All right, I'm done talking.
You got the right of way.
Can I sit here and talk?
Go ahead, man.
I know the rules, and that's up.
What's the rules?
She's staying at her friend's house, so she doesn't drink or drive, and you would arrest her.
Okay. Were they? The keys are right here. Nope. They don't have to be. All you have to do is be in actual physical control. If the keys were in your guys' house, never would have done a DUI investigation. They're like this, right? Guys, hey, if you guys want to be police officers, and you guys,
I don't want to be a police
okay,
officer.
so then I would
Obviously
probably
not.
go ahead and Google Florida State statute for DUI. Read the entire statute, dog. Cool, man. This ain't Jacksonville. Look, oh man, what is that? That's not a water, right? Crazy, guys. But I am doing unlawful stuff, right? Yeah. You guys come on. She's actually minimum 8. Thank you, though.
If you were drunk,
Me?
would you drink and drive?
I've been sitting
Would
here
you drink
talking
and
to her.
drive? No. So don't even act like she's doing the wrong thing, bro.
What? Yeah, I'm sitting here. They keep walking up. I'm sorry. I get why you guys are over here, but the problem is you guys were making it worse, right?
To come over there, and I don't know why she came to her truck. She might have sat in her truck for a minute or whatever, and I don't know how y'all came up on her or whatever. You know, we were just right over there, just hanging out at the pool. Her phone's not in there.
No.
You got to understand his perspective. He's here
I
by
understand.
himself.
I know
He's
how
got
it is.
3 people to deal with.
I can see how it looks for sure.
What are you hitting your head on? Did you hit your head or your leg? Oh, it sounded like you were like banging the door.
No.
Are you all right back here?
Oh, dude, no, I'm fine.
Okay. All right. I was just checking on you.
I like your name.
I'm gonna ask her if she's cool with you taking her stuff, though. All right, you will do that. Okay. Hey, are you good with Jeremy taking your stuff so it doesn't? Because if so, how it works is I have to listen. Just listen to me.
Are you really taking me to jail?
Listen, I'm gonna ask you a legitimate question, okay? Are you good with Jeremy taking your stuff?
Hold on, you're really taking me to jail?
Are you good with Jeremy?
I'm asking you a question,
Come
sir.
on, I'm gonna make this.
Sir, I'm asking you a question. Are you
Yes,
taking me
I
to
just
jail?
said yes. I just said yes. Do you want Jeremy to take your stuff?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's all I'm asking. All right, I'm trying to help you out.
But you,
Do you want him to take your wallet and everything too?
Can I not go to jail and
No,
get an Uber?
unfortunately, we can't. Can I give him your wallet and all this? Or do you want to take this with you?
Yeah.
The biggest lesson from this story is the law is there not just to protect the community, but also to protect you. If you've been drinking, it's best to hand over your keys or ensure you're not in a position to control the vehicle. A small decision can change your life forever.
You trying to provoke me for some reason?
You're parking on my grass.
It's pretty grass.
Right. So why are you parking on my grass?
Because I can. Done told you.
You said that, but what do you mean by that?
Man, come on, dude. Because I can park on it. That's why I'm parked on it.
You can park on my grass.
That's right.
So that's why you're parked on it.
Yep.
What says you can park on my grass?
I do. You say otherwise?
Say get off my grass.
How about no? Make me get off your grass. Ooh.
You got better. You should
Do you
have
got better stuff to do? Ain't you got a company to run?
You got better.
Ain't you got a company to run? Why you out here bothering us?
You got better because you're on my grass. You got better.
That gas that important, man? Really? So now you're gonna call the police to try to get me to move off the grass?
Right. Why wouldn't you park up on the?
Because I don't want to.
Driveway?
I'm a grown man. I park where I please. You're not my daddy. You don't tell me where I can and can't park. All right?
962.
So he's calling the police to tell them that I'm parking on his grass. That don't make a lot of sense, does it?
962 East Elm Street.
Does that make sense? It don't make no sense.
I got somebody that's parked on our grass and won't move. It's like a trespassing situation. Nah, they won't tell me. They pulled up with video cameras.
This situation is more intense than expected. When personal rights and the law collide, things can get really complicated. Is this man's right truly being violated? Or is he simply challenging the law on purpose? This is definitely a controversial case.
What are y'all doing?
Recording?
Okay. Why are y'all parked on the side of the road over here?
Where else you want me to park?
Do what?
Where else you want me to park?
Do you own this property? Do you have any kind of... What's your reason for being here?
I don't have to tell you that. I don't answer those types of questions.
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
There's nothing going on. I'm just here recording, man. What else is there to know?
There's got to be a reason why you're on this gentleman's
everything
property.
happens for a reason.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay, so help me understand why you guys are out here. All right, because at the end of the day, all I'm trying to do is help.
Help who? You helping me or you helping him?
I'm trying to help both of y'all, okay?
That's a good answer.
If you want something to do, then we can help you with that,
Well,
okay?
I'm doing what
But
I
this
want to
gentleman
do.
right here, I'm assuming owner. Okay, he might not want you on his property. And he's got
no
every
concern
right
of
to
mine.
have whoever he wants on his property, okay?
Yeah.
Because this is a business.
Yeah, absolutely is a business.
And unless you're trying to do business here, there's no reason for you to
I'm
be
doing
here.
my business
Okay.
right now.
And your business is what exactly?
Recording.
Recording. What are you trying to record?
Whatever I can see from a public place. This is public. Make sure, hey, I need you to get a supervisor.
You want a supervisor?
Absolutely.
Yeah, he's on the way.
Okay, good. You're gonna learn something today, buddy. You're gonna learn that you can't make me move from right here.
Why is that?
This is a city easement. That's what they call an easement, okay?
What's going on?
What's your name? Scoggins?
Yes, sir.
Y'all got badge numbers?
Corporal Scoggins, 680.
680, what's up, bud?
What's going on? You want to talk to a supervisor?
I just wanted to make sure my rights didn't get violated out here today.
What are y'all doing out here?
I can't hear you.
What are y'all doing out here?
Just out recording, man.
Recording for what?
Because I can. Pretty much.
Okay.
That's it.
Well, what's your need to record out here?
It's beautiful out here today.
So you just record just random businesses?
Yep, that's what I do.
Okay.
Can I get your name, ma'am? Is that
Richmond, 1856.
1856? Thank you. Appreciate that. Oh, the law states I got a right to be on the right of way, and that's where I'm at. It's called an easement. You're aware, I'm sure, but you don't know that I know that. He don't know that, but you guys know that, right?
Is there anything wrong with your truck?
No, it looks fine. It's a 2019, so it should be good.
All right.
You have no reason to be on the side of the road.
I do. I'm recording. That is my business. Okay, I'm a journalist. I got business right here on the side of this road.
How long do you plan on being here?
Until I get my shots and I feel like I got enough, and then I'll take off.
All right.
Education time. Y'all smile for the camera, man. Make yourself look good. Yep, don't do nothing foolish. You almost did. If I hadn't called that supervisor, you was gonna do something foolish. Yes, you was.
Yeah, I was gonna arrest you.
Walker, no, you was gonna push your authority. I know how it works, man. That's why I always ask for a supervisor.
Look, man, I'm just trying to get down to the bottom of it. That's all I'm trying.
There's no bottom to get to.
Okay.
There's no bottom. I got a right to do where I'm doing and stand right here. That's what I'm doing. Just because he put this grass here and makes it look pretty, don't mean I can't be on it. That was his boast. Oh, that's my grass. Well, that's a shame you put this pretty grass out here for the damn the government to have, you know, for the county to have. Sneaky. He snuck in the back door, guys. Snuck in the back door. Was that land? Is that how you pronounce that? Sir? Is that land? You don't talk? Are you ashamed of your profession? Are you ashamed?
This situation raises big questions about personal rights and legal boundaries. The man insists he has the right to stand on public land, while the management demands he leave. A classic example of conflicts over public space rights.
I had a problem when he said I had to move. That's what the problem, and I had a problem with him calling the police over something so minor as his grass.
Well,
you understand what I'm saying? His grass. That's what he said. He said, "Oh man, you're on my pretty grass." I'm like, "Oh, okay. Well, I'm sure it'll be fine." Right. Then he says, "Pull up here." I'm like, "No, I don't want to pull up there. I like to walk in the grass."
But and I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I know about like the shoulder and all that to the ditch line and that stuff, but I'm not 100% positive. Okay.
I am 100% positive.
But what I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna do some research.
That's great. You know what? That's another reason why I'm out here, is to make sure everybody understands that I have a right to be here. I'm a journalist. As long as I'm on public property, I can be out here all day. Right. I can pitch a tent if I needed to.
As long as you know, like, if you go on,
man, yeah, that's
trespassing,
I got that. Right. I got that. This ain't my first time, being on the side of the road.
You know, he's Officer Land. He's the only one.
I guess I got it right, man. I'm dyslexic too, so I was asking him, "Is that land? Is that how you pronounce that?" And he's just murked at me.
All right.
So that was not professional at all.
You got any questions for me?
No, I'm good, baby.
All right. Hey, as far as you put a tag on your car, right?
I know what to do. I know I can't drive off with the tag on there. Man, I got it.
Just make sure. I want you to know.
That ain't the first time I've done that either.
All right, we're out of here. Sure, if I ask you.
I don't work for the government. You do. Yeah, it's a big difference, Big Daddy. Now you trying to. Yes, you was, because it ain't the same. It's not the same at all. Hey, man, listen. I don't get paid by tax dollars. You do. Just like land here. Put that seatbelt on, land. Don't get run over. Don't get.
You need to leave the building and stop recording, please.
So I need to stop recording and I have to leave the building for what reason?
You cannot record in this building, sir.
According to who? To you?
Sir, you gotta leave. It's time to go. You can record all you want to, but you got to go. They don't want you in the building.
You can't tell me to go.
Yes, sir. You got to go.
No, you
go
can't.
to jail.
No, you're threatening me.
Sir, I'm not threatening you.
Yeah, you're threatening me. You cannot tell me to leave a public place. This is a public place. I'm conducting business. I am recording. This is my First Amendment, and I'm allowed to record in public.
Oh, you're the guy that does this to the police, and then you just sue for money.
Hold on.
So you're aware that I'm doing a constitutionally protected activity, right? You're aware of that. Are you? So you don't have a problem with me recording?
No, sir.
Good. So why do I have to leave? So management doesn't. So if he doesn't like the color of my skin, I have to leave. Or if he doesn't like this, what I'm wearing, I have to leave. That's not my problem that they're nervous. I'm not leaving until I'm done conducting my business. Until I'm done conducting my business, I will leave on my accord. You're not going to tell me what to do, okay?
You're going to have to leave.
You're not going to tell me what to do.
You're going to have to leave.
I will leave when I'm ready to leave. I'll leave.
Well, why don't you get ready now?
No, you can't tell me what to do. Do you understand that?
I said, why don't you?
Because I don't want to. I'm not ready.
You're just doing this to be confrontational.
I'm not doing this to be confrontational. You could inform the management over there that I have every right to do this. And then if he didn't say anything, I would have captured what I needed to capture, and I would have been on my way. But no, he has to make a big deal about it. His employees have to make a big deal about it. Now you guys are telling me what to do. You can't tell me what to do.
Yes.
No, you can't. Are you lawfully telling me to leave?
Yes.
This is a lawful order.
Yes.
So right now I'm being detained.
No, we're telling you to leave.
No. Am I being detained right now?
You're going to be soon if you don't leave.
Am I being detained?
No, please.
No, I'm not. Okay, I'm free to leave. Am I free to leave?
Yes.
Then I'm free to stay.
Hey, sir, I'm Sergeant Marmarino.
How you doing, Sarge?
What's your name? Your first name? You don't have to give me your whole name. Okay. Our job is to make sure that there's peace here, right? I get it. You're filming. You're doing an audit, whatever it may be. This is a federal facility, and this is open to the public. I get it. But as long as you're not causing a ruckus, but they have policies. You work, right, D? You work?
I don't answer questions.
Okay. Well. But I'm assuming by how old you look, you had a job in your life before, all right? So, yeah, if it makes customers feel uncomfortable, they might ask you to leave, right? Based on that. But this is an open facility, so you have that. You can record. That's your right to do so in a public place. That's your right. We agree with that. Now, not the owner.
From multiple perspectives, both sides have valid arguments. The cameraman has the right to film in public, but the management also has the right to maintain order at their business premises. This story highlights how the line between personal freedom and community responsibility is not always clear-cut.
I don't want to leave at any time. I don't want to take away. But our job is to make sure that when we leave, there's no problems following up, right?
I'm not here to cause problems.
I assume based on the manager asked you to leave, is that correct?
No, he didn't. He said stop recording.
Okay, stop recording.
And then he asked me to leave once he spoke to you guys, and then he came in with you guys behind him and say, now you have to leave. No, because he doesn't like what I'm doing. It's his personal opinion. I am legally allowed to record.
Absolutely.
They're poster 7. You're aware of the poster 7 that we are allowed to record. So I don't know why he's making a big deal over it. I didn't say anything to anybody. They approached me. All I was doing, standing in the corner, it's all on videotape. I started recording from the minute I got here, and I just need to capture my footage. That's all I got to do. So if you guys...
Well, we just want, if we do to leave, we just don't want any further problems.
So I'm free to leave,
Yes,
right?
you are
So I'm free to stay as well.
Right now, yes, you are free to stay or leave right now.
Okay. Your name and badge number, sir? Your name and badge number, sir?
Halford. Whatever side it's on. Halford.
And
709.
709. Thank you, sir.
You can listen to that, man. That's your right. I'm not trying to interfere with your recording, but understand if there's a difference. Please understand that you got to separate the two. Your right to record, your First Amendment rights to do what you're doing. That's not what's in question here. The question is whether or not he has authority, because he's the management of this building, to ask you to leave, to advise you that you need to leave.
Yes, you are free to stay or leave right now. Yes, you are free to stay or leave right now. Yes, you are free to stay or leave right now.
To issue you a criminal trespass warning that he is saying he's in care, custody, and control of this building. You need to leave. Has nothing to do with the recording. You're confusing the two on why we're here. I don't care if you record. We're recording, everybody's recording. But if he asks you to leave, and he is in care, custody, and control of this facility because he's the management here, you're going to have to leave.
Yeah, I'm going to step outside so people can...
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not leaving. I'm going to go back.
That's fine, man. This is great.
Just let them do their business. People can do what they do.
Hey, man, thank you for at least making a concession to go this far.
Yeah, no, the guy wanted to get into his P.O. box and let him do his thing.
I see a tattoo. Yeah. You get ink done locally? I got some tattoo artists. No, not locally?
Yeah, up in, when I was 18, I got inked.
Military?
Nope.
No, never know. Travel around, not around here, 18, yeah. That's a reasonable assumption.
Is that
Poster 7?
Yeah, is this part of what you're looking at?
Yep.
So it says here, with the permission of the local postmaster or installation head. How do you
ask the postmaster?
How do you think that?
Check with the postmaster.
Hi guys.
I've done this plenty of times.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
You're good.
We're good, right? Yeah. So, there's nothing.
It's new to them,
I understand, but this is an education process that even y'all get.
I explain it to them. A lot of times you can explain it to them. You know what I'm saying? And
I tried to, but he didn't want to listen. He said he was dead set that you cannot record
I
in here.
spoke to the postmaster, and we are good to go.
Yes, sir.
Remember,
so I was having him read this.
Like I said, we got no issues with you recording. I don't care. The more cameras, the more it keeps everybody on.
Yeah, absolutely.
Me, you, everybody, them driving away. The people that may get in a wreck in the intersection that you may capture.
Absolutely, I completely agree with you guys. Hey, I appreciate it, sir. Thank you very much for being very professional and.
Let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
Do you own a business or a piece of property?
No, I don't. I'm not going to disclose that information.
Okay, let's assume you do.
Okay.
So let's assume you have a business or a piece of property, and someone comes in there. You, as a business owner or a person in charge of that business, have a right to ask people to leave.
Correct.
If you don't want them there
and what's the difference between that and this?
nothing.
You sure?
But public access, it doesn't mean that you can come in here and act a fool.
Are you implying?
The biggest lesson here is knowing your rights is important, but effectively communicating and resolving conflicts is even more crucial. Understanding the law is one thing, but applying it in a way that prevents unnecessary escalation is what truly matters.